In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create reports with the custom report builder in Hubspot. Start by looking at the main navigation in your Hubspot account. From there, go to Reporting, then select Reports. This takes you to the reporting area where you can view existing reports and build new ones. Next, go to the top right corner and click Create Report. Hubspot will show you different ways to build a report. From the list of options, choose Custom Report Builder. This is the tool you will use when you want more control over the data you include and how it is displayed. Now you will choose your data sources. First, pick a primary data source. For example, if you want to report on your database of people, you might choose contacts. Your primary source is the main object you want the report to be based on. After that, add any related sources you need. Related sources help you connect the primary object to other records, so your report can include more complete context. Choose only what you need, because adding extra sources can make the report more complex than necessary. Once your sources are selected, click Next in the top right. This opens the report builder where you will shape the chart and decide what it shows. On the left side, you will see a list of properties. These are the fields available from the sources you selected. Drag and drop the properties you want into the sections of the report. Place one property on the x-axis to define what you are grouping by. Then add a property to the y-axis to define what you are measuring, such as a count or another metric available for that property. If you want to compare results across categories, drag a property into the breakdown by area. This can help you see patterns by owner, lifecycle stage, or other segments, depending on your sources. When your data is in place, click the chart icon to choose a visualization type that matches your goal. Use a format that makes the comparison easy to read at a glance. Finally, click Save in the top right. Give your report a clear name so you can find it later, especially if you plan to reuse it on dashboards. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.